Hey Wildcats, it's Mr. Martin back with another video today. Today we're going to talk about earning your email badges that you can put at the bottom of your email signature. Let's take a look at one real quick. So this is what they look like. They're much smaller than this. They go at the bottom of your signature, but we've just blown this one up so you can see it. This is a email badge that you can earn for showing your proficiency in Google Sheets. There's one for Slides, there's one for Drive, there's one for Google Docs. The one we're going to work on today is for Google Slides. So let's take a look at how you earn one of these. So you have a Splendora ISD webpage that's called Badge Page. And I'll give you the link to it. I'll link to it in the Google Classroom. And basically, that link gives you some directions, how to log into your account. Type in this link into the Omnibox up here. And basically, once you're done with that, you can click on any of these links right here to take the quiz. And like I said, the one that we would work on today would be the Google Slides quiz. So the way that works is I'm going to come over here. I'm going to click on Google Slides. And it just takes me to the quiz. Now it's really important that you put in your first name and your last name. Put in your email address, your school email address here. You want to make sure you pick the right campus. Okay. And then just start answering the questions. Now, if you don't know the answer to these questions, after our little session on Google Slides, that's okay. One of the best ways to learn about Google is to just Google it. This is a pretty easy one. What is the main purpose of Slides? Create and edit documents collaboratively, online space for storing documents, collect and analyze information, create and edit presentations collaboratively. So you have to think about this pretty carefully because a couple of these are the right answer. But mostly it's about presentations, right? Create and edit documents collaboratively. I guess technically a presentation could be a document, but this is more for Google Docs, right? Storing documents is more Google Drive. You could collect and analyze information, but that's more of a Google Forms function. So the keyword here definitely is presentations. So all you would do is just click that answer, and you just keep answering these questions all the way down. And again, if you get to one that you're not very sure about, just go ahead and Google it. Just open up a new tab over here. Let's look at this one. Which menu tab will help you group projects? So what you might have to do is you might have to come up here and just Google Tools tab in Slides, Arrange tab in Slides, Format tab in Slides, and see what those do. When you get to this question, you can upload a non-YouTube video file into Google Slides presentations, true or false. So you can just ask that question. Come over here, open a new tab, and just say, computer's running really slow. Yeah, and so just type that question up there in the Omnibox. There's a few videos on how to do that. So it looks like the answer to that question is it can be done. So I would click true. Even if you don't do very well on the quiz the first time, you can certainly take it more than once. And if you get a passing grade, you will be notified by email and you will get your badge, your image, your Google Slide image, and then I can show you how to put that onto your email distribution so that it looks, see if I can get one to come up. Move my email over here. So it'll look just like this. Here's the Docs image. Here is the Google Drive badge. Here is the Google Slides badge. or here's the Sheets badge, and here's the Slides badge. Sorry about that. And so there'll be more. We're going to add a Google Forms, and I think we'll add an advanced Google. So be looking for those. But yeah, that's how you do it. You just go to this link, this website. I'll make sure you have the link in the Google Classroom, and just take these quizzes. And like I said, one of the best ways to learn is to Google the questions, and I'll also pair up some videos introducing each of these, which will help also. So if you have any questions, you can just email me at dmartin@splendoraisd.org, or you guys can reply right here in the Google Classroom.